Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin with gift cards. Now on this platform there's over 300 ways you can buy Bitcoin, but today's focus is on how to buy with gift cards. Okay, so buy, so I'm gonna go back because that's one of my purchases with buying a Bitcoin with a Target gift card. So I'm gonna just go back from the start, from the beginning. Made several purchases, right? So what we're gonna do, go from the beginning. I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoins with a gift card. Okay, so you click on the buy button. You can also sell Bitcoins on this platform as well and earn more than what you are buying them for. Okay, so let it load up there. It's loading. So see the browser, it's loading. Okay, so right here you see it says please wait while we find the best offers for you. So why it does that, it's going to project on all the gift card payments that you can do. Currently, the Bitcoin is at 9,523.46 cents. And here are all the offers that you can buy with gift cards. These are gift cards that you can buy with. Right? You can Cash App, Zelle Pay, Venmo, PayPal, American Express cards, MoneyGram, PayPal, Cash App. These are just a few of what's going on. Airtime, MoneyGram, right? So these are all what you can do with Bitcoin as far as you paying with a gift card, Skrill, um, cash by mail, Perfect Money, cash in person. So it's more than just by gift cards, by PayPal, Zelle Pay, Western Union. Okay, you'll see the prices over there, what they're charging you, right? So one of the things I'm gonna do is go to a familiar. Um, so let's go with Walmart. Walmart's so familiar with everyone. Okay, I'm gonna do let's see if we got some Walmarts here. Let's go for Walmart. We can go for the search. Right, because Walmart's popular all over the world almost. Walmart, right? We just go to Walmart, Walmart, Walmart cards. See if anybody on Walmart here. Walmart gift cards. There we go. So these are current offers that's dealing with Walmart. More than Walmart, you have hundreds others gift cards that you can purchase. Okay. Any currency. Let's go with US USD, United States dollar. Okay. I'm gonna go search for those offers. It's gonna populate what's available with using Walmart gift cards because of this tutorial. We using simple things here. Okay. Walmart gift card, physical card only is cash only. You got another one, Walmart gift card, physical card only, no verification needed. Walmart gift card, you do not meet the requirements. Send to buyer. You gotta see the terms and conditions. Right. So here it is. Walmart gift cards only. Receipt required, cash only. And then you have this one right here where it says no receipt needed, e-codes accepted, no verification. So this is one of those ones where pretty much you just get in where you fit in. All right. Minimum buying limit is minimum is 500. Okay. So you gotta look at the minimum limit. But as you scroll down, that limit does go down. Okay. Definitely goes down. And as you see, as you go down, price comes up a little bit higher. Okay. But this is just Walmart gift cards. You have other cards. Let's go with Target. Let's check that out. So we're gonna just go ahead and X out of that. How about we just show? There we go. So we're gonna go to gift cards here, right? There's 120 options there. 120 options. All payment options 339. Bank transfer there's 9 options there. Online wallets 144. Cash payments there's 18. Debit there's 20. Digital currencies there's different 26 options there and good ad sets. Okay. For your cards right there, these are the different cards that are looking to trade. Amazon gift cards, Steam Wallet gift cards, iTunes, T-Mobile refills. All these are the gift cards that are exchanging Bitcoins. Okay. So if you're looking to buy with your gift cards, come to this website. The link will be inside the description box below, and purchase your gift cards, okay, or your Bitcoins. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message down in the description box below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.